This is a bag of black cat pasta that I found in HomeGoods. I've never seen it before, but as soon as I spotted it, I thought of my grand cat, Boo. It looks just like him on the label. It was $3.99, which is a little expensive for a bag of pasta, but I love black cat, so I had to buy it. So today I'm making a black cat pasta salad. First thing I have to do is cook this pasta. This is what the pasta looks like before I cook it. There's 3 different shapes in 2 different colors. There's a cat's head, a cat's paw, and a cat. With the specialty pasta, sometimes they lose a little bit of their shape and a little bit of their color when you cook them. The water's boiling, so I'm adding the pasta. I'm giving it a quick stir and we're going to cook it for 6 minutes. This is what I'm adding to the pasta because I thought it would be very nice Halloween colors. I'm adding 1 cut up orange pepper, 1 can of large black olives that I've quartered, a half a red onion that I cut up into pieces, a half a cup of chopped fresh parsley, and I have 1 clove of garlic that I crushed with my garlic crusher. This pasta held together very nicely because I didn't overcook it. And I'm going to be very careful when I mix in the ingredients. Now I'm putting in the olives. The olives go in. The peppers. Look how nice. This really looks like Halloween. The parsley. I'm adding the red onion. And my crushed garlic. I had the red onion soaking in cold water so it takes the bite out. I'm going to be very careful mixing this because I don't want to break up the pasta. I'm using a spatula, so hopefully this will help not break up the pasta. I'm dressing it with olive oil and apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to pour it in. I'm adding black pepper, and you could add salt, but Grandpa and I don't eat salt, so I'm eliminating the salt, but you could put it in. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, it looks so festive. Perfect for a Halloween party. And I like how you can still see the shapes of the pasta. And this was such an easy meal. I'd say within a half an hour you can have this done. This makes a very nice side dish, or you could have it as a full meal. But like I said, this is something you can make for if you're going to have a little Halloween gathering. Perfect. And you could still see the shapes of the pasta. And I love the colors. It's so good, you could either eat this warm or cold. Grandpa's going to have this black cat pasta salad for lunch today. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let me get a bite. Good. Garlic in it, it's going to keep away the vampires. What is this, for Halloween?
Of course. How did you know?
The color orange, the black, the white, Halloween colors.
Do you notice anything else?
Not right off the bat, onions.
Well, what about the pasta?
Pastas are shaped like little pumpkins.
Look again, Grandpa.
I'm looking. I haven't got my glasses on. What am I supposed to do?
Go get your glasses.
I don't see nothing in there. Other than pasta, onions, olives, carrots. What am I supposed to
Look
find?
at the shape of the pastas.
They're all crushed up.
No, they're not.
Look like little cats.
Yay! Very
One
nice.
the white looks like cats, but the other green guy don't look like cats.
Well, that's paws. The cat's paws. But I told you you're going to have the black cat pasta salad. All right, just eat it now. And those aren't carrots either.
And where are they?
Orange peppers.
Okay. Orange peppers. The pasta looks like cats and paws.
Very good. Is it good?
Yeah, very good.
Well, I fooled Grandpa again.